Supplemental math videos from Circle Christian School.
Make your own dividers for your notebook. Designing is engineering, and it's very mathy. These pocket dividers can help the better math student become a best math student. Organization creates time saved, and I'm all about saving time. When you design something, it takes measurement, analyzing procedure, trial and error. This is the same process for tackling those pesky word problems. See, I told you it was very mathy. These are the materials that you need. You'll need 5 sheets of cardstock or some other type of heavy paper, 4 number 10 size envelopes, 2 card size envelopes, and a lot of times maybe mother will have some left over from Christmas cards that don't exactly match the Christmas cards, just as the envelopes. Scrap cardstock, make the tabs on the outside of the dividers, 3-hole punch or a hole puncher, scissors, glue, and tape. This is what you'll need to do to all 5 sheets of cardstock. You need to put tape on one edge, both sides. It's a little bit difficult if you try a long one unless you're really steady, so it's okay to do several short ones along the edge there, and then turn the page over and do the same thing. This makes a reinforcement for those hole punches and kind of keeps the cardstock from being torn out of your notebook. Now what we're going to do is make the envelope pockets. The pockets allow you to be able to put things like your assignments in or tests that you get back and you're not quite ready to file them just yet. On the number 10 envelope, you're going to cut the top part, that licky part. Nobody wants that anyway. It tastes awful. And then you're going to slit down one side. Just open up the fold there because you're going to slide your cardstock inside it. Taking the cardstock and sliding it into the envelope. Now, what you're going to do is actually leave just a little bit of the folded side of the envelope over the edge of the cardstock that is on the right-hand side here. The reason why you leave that little edge there is that's going to allow you enough room to be able to slide your tests and your papers into the envelope there. Then what I'd like you to do is just cut the excess off the left-hand side, and what we're going to do is actually tape over that. I'll show you on the next screen. So taking the tape and just kind of running it halfways onto the edge there and then folding it over to the other side so that you can enclose that side of the envelope will help keep papers inside of your folder also. If it doesn't quite work, don't worry about it because to tell you the truth, once you put the hole punch into it and you put it into your divider, it will still work anyway. After you have made your 4 dividers using the number 10 envelope, now you're going to take your piece of scrap cardstock, fold it over 1 inch. Now 1 inch is approximately the tip of your thumb to that first knuckle in case you do not have a ruler next to you. Folding it over and you just cut off the excess. Then out of that folded paper that is folded over 1 inch, you'll have to cut 5 2-inch tabs. Now how big is 2 inches? Well, 2 inches is going to be about the size of your whole thumb. And you can measure each one, give a cut. To make it more professional looking, you can cut little dog ear corners off of the folded edge. Then what you're going to do is apply glue onto the inside of your divider tab. So on the 4 dividers that have the number 10 envelope on it, you're going to glue the tab. Start at the top, move down a few inches, put tab 2 on the next one, tab 3 on the next one, down a few inches. That allows you to be able to see each tab separately. The last page, the 5th page, is going to have the 2 smaller envelopes on it. On the 5th divider, glue the smaller envelope on both sides. That is, on the front side of the divider and on the back side of the divider. This will give you 2 pockets to be able to hold smaller objects like index cards, origami, or maybe even flashcards, any small thing that you would like to keep. Do not glue the flap that you use to close the envelope onto the divider, because you're going to use this to just kind of be able to close that envelope and keep things from flopping around in your notebook. Now you can enjoy your own dividers. If by any chance you happen to find a better way to do this, totally let me know, because I will add your suggestions to the screen. Thanks so much. Have a great day.